Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Abhijit. Welcome to my channel RN Academy. In this channel, as I told earlier that I'll be teaching current affair from Indian Express. So here I come with the current affairs section. So this is my intro. I have done my BTech from College of Engineering Pune in material and metallurgy science. So let's start with the lecture. So in the today's lecture, I'll be focusing on Virat Kohli. Why there is a news on Virat Kohli. So what is the reason Virat Kohli is leaving as a captain from Indian team? So and second topic will be Central Vista project. What is Central Vista project? I will be discussing on this part. Why government is focusing on Central Vista project and what are the issue with it. So and the third one is we all know about the Gujarat politics. Why there is a lot of turmoil in Gujarat politics. We'll be seeing in this lecture. So first of all, as we see, Virat Kohli leaves T20 captain. This is a very bad news for cricket lover after World Cup. But after World Cup, but he will be remain as a captain of ODI as well as Test matches. He has given the reason for leaving the T20 captain because due to work increasing workload. So as you know that his wife is Anushka Sharma. So they have a baby right now. So he's a family member right now. So yeah, so we should have focus on his career. So he she got various national award. So first national award he got is Arjuna Award in 2013. After that, he got Padma Shri, which is India fourth largest civilian award in 2017. He also got Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award, that is Khel Ratna Award short form, in 2018, which is India highest sporting honor. He also got various awards such as Gurfield Sober Trophy for the decade and ICC Cricket of the Year for 2017 and 18. He got various awards, but for the exam point of view, we have to remember Sir Garfield Sober Trophy, ICC Main Cricketer of the Decade 2011 and 2020, and ICC Men's ODI Cricketer of the Decade. Okay. Uh, He also won ICC Spirit of the Cricket in 2019. He got ICC Test Team of the Year in 2019 as well. He was a captain in that team. So we'll be moving on next slide. So what is Central Vista Project? This is Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is in Delhi. So it is built in 1921 by Lud, Lud, uh, I forgot the name of this architecture, maybe Lutin, or it is a so after Sir under Viceroy Lord Irwin. So let's see what is Central Vista project. The Central Vista project is proposed by Government of India for redevelopment to revamp old parliament and to make new parliament building. So, so redevelopment construction has been uh, going on old parliament, south and north block, presidential garden, and new structure will be built such as new parliament, central vista revenue, common central secretary. You have, I already mentioned, given all the name of new construction in the table, and what will be the demolished part. Jawaharlal Nehru Bhavan, Krishi Bhavan, National Museum, etc. And what will be the retained as a structure, Rashtrapati Bhavan. This will be renamed as a museum for the public. All the amenities will be developed by Central Vista project by the government of India. And what will be the remain India Gate National War Memorial, which is built in 2014 by the government of India under the leadership of Narendra Modi. So, National War Memorial, it is built basically for bravery and sacrifice given by our soldier in the war. So we have now Gujarat. So Gujarat revamped its ministry, means its reform its ministry. As you know that Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani resigned from his ministry. After 5 days, there is a new chief minister, that is Bhupendra Singh Patel. So why Gujarat revamped its ministry? So they have given the reason for that. It is a democratic experiment for the upcoming election in Gujarat. So let's see the information about the Gujarat. The Gujarat is formed on 1st May 1960. Its capital is Gandhinagar. Its largest city is Ahmedabad. Its its current governor is Acharya Dev Virat. Sorry, it is spelling. It should be Virat. Virat. And former chief minister is Vijay Rupani. Its as a state legislature consists of 182 seats, which is a unicameral, and its parliamentary in the Rajya Sabha there is 11 seats, and so Lok Sabha there is 26. So it's also consists of High Court, which is in Gujarat. Okay. So today question is for you guys. How many gold do India gets in Olympic 2021? This is the question. So who is the first person to get medal in the Para Olympic? Okay. And the third question is what is the name of the sports person who get two medal in Paralympic in 2021? So this is all the question. You have to answer this question in the comment section. Thank you guys. I will try to upload math lecture tomorrow. So thank you. Goodbye.